Ayan, maglinis muna ako dito. Oh, sa hindi pa nakakilala sa akin. Hello. I'm Alma Palasan Abisya from Philippines. OFW. By profession for 9 years. Imagine. Pero inshallah, by the grace of God, see you soon. Thank you so much to all of you. Oh, yan. Sana you should buy this. Hello, Golden Ant developer, the Golden Ant Properties and Development. Grabe, super thank you talaga, as in. Because of you, my Android Samsung. Thank you so much for everything. Wala ako dito kung wala kayo. Grabe. Side by side, front and back, may up and down, hindi nyo ako iniwan. Thank you, Samsung.